Hi there, Bora here today from SYNKii. Today I wanted to show you the SYNKii Classroom. I wanted to show where you can access SYNKii Classroom and from where you can start the access and giving you the tools and tips for your best teaching experience. So SYNKii is a all-in-one solution for video and voice call through Google Chrome browser from your laptop. It has a faster connection than Zoom and allows lagless experience if you both have a MIDI keyboard. However, you can still use SYNKii, enjoy SYNKii. If you will still benefit using SYNKii as it gives you a faster connection than Zoom with an ability to show multiple angles using different webcams. There are more music tools that you can use for your own music tuitions. So let's start from our SYNKii website. So here, let's go and sign in. So here, connect to your video and microphone and you will be prompted to this page. First of all, let me show you the piano, obviously. So here we have the piano keys here. So it would light up depending. You will need to plug any of the 3 MIDI cables that you might have. So one could be like this, which is like a 5-pin MIDI cable, or it could be also one of those little USB cable that you can charge your Android phones. Or it could be a MIDI cable that it can be very similar to the printer USB. So it all depends on what kind of piano you have in your house. Otherwise, if you have acoustic piano, that's totally fine. It won't portray from here. However, you can use this kind of keys where you can play the keyboard with the keyboard as well. So you can just use your keyboard like that. But yeah, otherwise, if you have the piano plugged in, then you can see the keys lit up. Now, depending on how you hit, it would show you as a gradient with a gradient color. So that, and then what you can as well do is you can use your pedal to sustain those notes, and then I can just take it out. I'll release the pedal now, and then it goes away. Okay, so that's the keyboard, and if my students are playing, then it will portray with the red. I will show you, and like this, and when we play it together, it shows as purple. So next we have camera, which you can actually shift from here to there, etc. This happens, and you can also add more cameras if you want. So for example, I can add this camera that I've got on the side. So this is very handy when I wanted to show like my wrist level, etc. You can also change different cameras here, camera settings. So I've got another camera above myself. So I've just switched horizontally, and then you can also switch vertically. So in my case, that's the right setting for me to actually match with the exactly same as the keys that you can portray together. What else? Here you can switch different types of microphone that you might have. In my case, I've got quite a lot of them. And here we have the Synchronous Metronome, like that. So this is very handy for me to explain. So imagine if you wanted to actually wanted to explain a syncopation. So you could ask your student to respond to this kind of rhythmic value. You could in case that you can always again use this kind of keyboard to respond and see if your student can actually understand this kind of rhythmic concept. So the way that you can invite your student is by pressing the plus button. Here, insert any email. So I'll just put from SYNKii and Poram and Joy. So yeah, and then you just press add student. And what you do is you can also do search on here as well, like this, and then it should show up. Okay, so and then you just need to press the stop class now. Then an email gets sent to your student's email address, where they can click the invitation link, where it's going to prompt them to join this classroom. Otherwise, you can just copy this link, and then you can also manually send it over. So that's it. In case that if you have any trouble, here's chat box where you can book a demo with us. You can talk to us directly through this chat box, as well as we got all the help center where you can search the pricing or what kind of MIDI cable is needed, or any of these kind of questions that you might have. And to finish the lesson, you just need to hang up the call, and that's it. You can see also your students' past lesson history through this, as well as the payment summary that you can see through there. This is the past lessons archive that you can see as well. So this is all of it for now. We will have more updates to come, and I will let you know when we have the new functions and new features. And I hope that this helps you to understand what we have in our version 2 in SYNKii. And please let me know if you have any other questions. And yeah, I will see you soon. Bye.